Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel. If you are an old subscriber, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this Nigerian Chinchin. It's amazing, guys. The recipe is what you need, and I'm going to give you the full measurements in the description box so that you guys can know the exact measurements you should use to get this result. I also have other edibles tutorials on my channel, shawarma, different things. I'm going to link the playlist as well so you guys can check it out. But right now, let's get into this particular tutorial.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago. Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
guys, that's it for this chin chin. So like I wrote earlier, don't let it get too brown because you won't like it. It might start getting burnt. And please note that the longer it stays, the harder it becomes, except you expose it to air. So I advise you to keep it in covered containers to avoid anything. So mine actually did 8 of these bowls, but here you can see 6. I had to use only these 6 so that it can fit the video. If you try it out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I would love to share your work with all my growing followers and even here on YouTube. Thank you guys for your super thanks, super chats, everything. I appreciate everything from you guys. And also don't forget to check out my other videos. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.